It's a very good morning here by the Antique Circle. So we are just heading to. We are heading where? To Fuske.
Yeah, next big city. Oh, city, it's not a city.
It's a town.
Yeah, a little town, 9,000 people, but has all the necessary shops.
See in the Fuske.
See in the shops, in the mall. It's the same, eh?
Yeah, but this one has different hand. Moose. Moose.
When you put a smaller dinner?
Yeah, for a short shopping. Yes.
What about these?
Oh, they're not real. Orange.
If you have a knife in the car, you can eat on the way home.
I'll take you lettuce.
Should we get on?
They are hollow.
Yeah. Okay.
I was looking, I didn't see them. Thank you. Yeah,
I guess.
because if you do it, you will
See,
see.
now I can see you. Wow.
I just you.
Look at that, eh? One Jons.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Did you just do that?
You want me to hold that thing, right? Yeah.
Yeah. This is the cheapest.
Yeah.
And the big too. How much are they?
23 pop.
How much are they?
23 pop. Quite good. Ecologisch is from a batch from Vietnam. You want one or two? We can buy one or more for. It's good to have one, yeah? Sometimes I like it in my soupy or something, you know?
So, we take one.
Take one or two?
Just two.
Two, huh? Two of those.
We are looking bananas. Banana. Share this.
Yeah.
Why it's not cold?
I think it's good.
It's not. Okay, we go Pila.
For 1.5 kilo. That's cheap, right?
Wow, that is so cheap.
Yeah, we got two of those. Then,
70 for 1.5 kilo chicken.
that's a breadje.
Okay.
Dat is iets favorite breadje.
Milk.
Milk. Hey, you, have this one.
Oh, now how my bag. Bam. Cheese.
Cheese. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Okay. So not curry the.
Oh, ja. Oh, nufjes, hè, man, over daar.
Yeah, curry necklace.
Nufjes.
Yeah, curry. Yeah, you must see the Palestine man for the sauce.
See, this was not too bad. It was only 35 euro.
Yeah, 35 euro.
Yeah.
But we got a lot of so many things.
A lot of stuff. Cool, right?
Yeah. Bam, 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 bam. So we're gonna see Mr. Palestine to buy spices.
Philistine.
Yeah.
Oei.
It's so cold today.
While we're at it,
Huh?
while we're here,
Yeah.
I want to buy a sled still for you.
Sled. No. I don't know. Next time, love.
Next time?
Yeah.
Next holiday?
Next, yeah. Not next holiday. I don't have any
Next winter,
holiday
you mean?
anymore. Yeah, next winter.
Okay.
My holiday is over. You know what I mean?
yeah, you're
Next
over.
time I come, I don't have holiday.
Yeah.
It's a lifetime.
Yeah.
So next lifetime.
Next winter we buy a sled.
Yeah, my next winter.
Yeah, Hashi will buy one cheap anyway because see, in a few months' time,
Yeah.
after the winter, they're very cheap, you see.
Yeah.
We'll buy it in summer, June, July.
Yes. The big one.
Yeah, we buy a nice one. First we're going to see the Palestine. We're going to buy curry.
Yeah, this was
Chili paste.
Spices. Oh, somebody got stuck here. We need maybe our hand.
Yeah, he puts water in there.
He's putting water for the wipers.
Yeah.
So we did a shopping.
Yeah.
I didn't show you guys as doing shopping, but I just show how we paid it. Yeah. Because we have so many shopping videos. It's not even funny anymore.
When I'm alone, I always get checked.
Yeah, when my husband is alone in the supermarket, he gets checked because the AI detect that he didn't buy bread.
Yeah, maybe it's they think I have a criminal face.
We go Palestine. There we go. Did you see her?
It was cool, right?
Yeah, that was so cool.
Hey.
You. We are at the Palestine. You found it?
Yeah, the other one I still have it. See, tamarind is what they use in the mushroom too.
Okay.
Anyway. Okay. Sweet soy sauce we have everything.
Yeah,
White sauce we have.
everything. You know, and we walk and eat, and me, I wanna just look. Hold camera for me. So I'm gonna do this here.
Wow.
How cool is that?
Wow.
Then I'm gonna have my yum yum.
Wow.
Very soft. Super nice.
Okay.
Okay, we are done by the Palestine. Back in the car now, and we are heading home. So peeps, we are now heading home, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Mostly subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Please like for the video to keep going on. That really helps. Before I start crying, just do a like. I'm almost crying, do a like. You know what I mean? Likes are very important.
For the poor criminal that lives in Norway.
Yeah. Very, very important for the black lady lives in the mountain there, countryside. Subscribe. Give me a like. Thanks for watching.